Ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday night. You know what time it is. It's time for the Friday Night Wine Tastings with the Amateur Sommelier.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Amateur Sommelier. And once a year, we throw a party here in town. Once a year, we turn all Paris upside down. Every man's a king, and every king's a clown. Come along, it is Topsy Turvy Day. And Topsy Turvy Day is wine tasting. Friday night. Deterra. Cedar Ridge Red. It's kind of weird, not gonna lie. So yes, we're doing another Tennessee wine, and yes, I believe this is going to be a multi-video recording session of experience and, frankly, dread. So much dread. So, happy Topsy-Turvy Day, everybody. I'm feeling pink, light purple, pink. We're going pink. On the rim and the core is purple. It's not dark purple, it's purple. Maybe it is dark purple. Maybe my eyeballs don't work. I do need some eye drops, I'm not gonna lie. This smells like gasoline! That is not comforting. Woo! Of course, we start our first wine for the new year 2023 with what smells like something I'm going to die from. So hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see pain! So much pain, I'm scared to swallow. I'll be back in 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Well, for the next video, which is going to be uploaded tomorrow night, full transparency, but yeah, this did not start off well for Friday night, so hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe. I need a lot of water, and I need a new wine, dear God. Be right back.